Right guys, today's the day. We're on our way over to Infinity Wax to pick up the giveaway car. We've got the 4-wheel drive Skoda Yeti and the Brian James trailer all ready to go. It's been a while since I've towed a trailer, so I'm just taking my time, and the Skoda's pulling it no problem at all, so yeah, shouldn't be long. We'll be over in Glenrothes and picking up the giveaway car. Massive thank you to Stuart for letting me use the car. Just picked myself up a coffee for the Wild Bean Services. I've got about an hour to go, and then we'll pick up the car and you guys will get your first look, and I'll get my first look in person at the giveaway car. So let's go. Right guys, I'm back. I've got both cars here. The trailer didn't tip over, so we've done alright. I'm back at the yard. I'm just about to unload the car, but I'm not going to show you it yet because there's two cars that I need to move still. One of them will be really good. You really want to see that. So let's get this off, get the MX-5 on and go pick up another car. Right guys, the giveaway car's dropped off and the little MX-5's loaded up ready to go back to the house. So let's get this back and we'll show you what else we're picking up. Right guys, another one safely back. This towing malarkey's dead easy when you get the hang of it. But next up, it's a car that you guys haven't seen for a while, and everybody's desperate to see it back on the channel. We're desperate to get it finished. That's right, the Audi S5's coming into the unit, so we need to get the jump pack on this and get some power to it and try and push it out of here and get it on that trailer. Right guys, another one delivered safe and sound. All we need to do is offload this, we'll get that put in there, and we can now finally spend a lot more time on this Audi S5. As you can see, I have been working on bits and bobs it. You can see boost pipes in there, the intercooler's in there as well, bumpers mounted on the original fittings, so it also looks stock, which is great. But yeah, this thing's going to be a beast when it's finished. We'll drop the trailer back off, come back, and we'll show you the giveaway car. Here it is guys, a 2006 BMW 320d M Sport 2-door coupe, and it looks absolutely awesome. This car started out with the Infinity Wax guys about a year and a half, 2 years ago. They took it on as a project car. They've done a few bits and bobs to it. They've done a few videos of ceramic coated it. They had the CSL style wheels, all stripped and powder coated and redone. They've done the brake calipers. They got the exhaust done. There's a few different bits been done to it, but it's recently failed its MOT, and well, we're just going to take it to the next level for you guys. We're going to get some new coilovers on it because it's got a broken spring, so we may as well just put them all on. Infinity Wax had some paint work done in it when they had it, but it's actually started to come back through again. A wee bit of rust just there and a little bit in the tailgate that I think me and Charlie will take care of for you guys. So yeah, a couple of wee bits that we'll probably touch up. I've found a nice front lip for it, a sort of CSL style front lip that we'll put on it to match the CSL wheels. It's got the M Sport side skirts and everything, the M Sport back bumper, finished in black with the nice bronze wheels. It's also got the full black leather interior. It's obviously shown a few wee signs of wear. It's got a bit of a worn gear knob. We're going to replace that. We'll give this a right good clean inside. So it has got an outstanding recall as well, so as soon as the MOT's done, we're going to whip it round to BMW Sycamores in Hamilton and get the recall done for the airbag. Other than that, it's a BMW two-door coupe. I mean, how cool is that? And it could be yours for a £5. So obviously there's quite a bit of work needing done in it. We need to get through the MOT failures. We're going to put some coilovers on it. We'll redo the brakes and everything. We'll make sure it's 100%. We'll get some new tyres on it. Get the headlights polished up again. So yeah, there's going to be plenty of videos on this so you can follow the progress of it and see exactly what's been done to it before you win it. And this car's going to be perfect for somebody. I know it's not a Lambo, but it's a car you can use every day. It's a £5. Get involved, buy yourself a ticket and be in with a chance of winning this. Right, now that you guys have got your first look at the giveaway car, I hope you like it. I think it's cool as anything. But while I was up at Infinity Wax, I picked up something else that was cool. Come and see this. While I was up there, Michael and the guys at Infinity Wax decided that we needed a whole new detailing setup. And they've literally hooked us up with everything. We've got all the 5 litre bottles that we need. We've got the full millions range. We've got some of the Zwizzer compounds. We've got the Infinity Wax Super Gloss Plus. That smells amazing, absolutely amazing. I can't wait to use that on the car. We've got the Fibre King cloths. These are brilliant. They've got really deep pile on them. They've got no tags on them. We've got the Infinity Wax travel bag. We've got the Max Shine bottle holder. They've also gave us all the professional bottles, 1 litres, so that we can fill them for here. I've not even got them all ready yet. They gave us a new machine polisher. They've gave us a Dash 6 polisher. Just absolutely loads of stuff. There's tons of it. We've got interior detailer, citrus pre-wash, leather cleanser, every single thing we need to make the cars look perfect. And we've got the wash buckets as well. I've already had them out because I washed the giveaway car because it was a bit dusty after lying for a year. And all credit to Synergy 2. If you watch a video back on the Infinity Wax channel, over a year ago, the guys machine polished that and put Synergy 2 on it. It's been sitting outside in the elements for a year, and you can see when we were washing it, it was still beading after sitting for a whole year. So awesome product. Synergy 2 is, I don't know why people use wax anymore, just Synergy everything. So yeah, you've seen the giveaway car, you've seen the detailing setup, and we use Stuart's Skoda to go and pick everything up. Now, I know Stuart won't take anything off of me for doing that, so what I've done, I've already went and filled his tank back up, and what I'm going to do is put all these products to good use and actually do a full detail on Stuart's car, because I know it's something he wanted done. He wanted it Synergy protected as well, but he was waiting till after Gibraltar and stuff. So what I've done, I've been a little bit cheeky and I've told him I needed 2 days to move everything about. I done it all yesterday. So today we're going to spend the time and do Stuart's car for him, and then we can get him back tonight looking awesome. So I've already washed it because I didn't want you to watch another wash video. So it's already sitting here. It's been washed. I've done a bit of decontamination on the paintwork with the iron fallout remover, so we're going to get it in. We'll do some tar and glue remover on it, quick machine polish. We're going to do the interior and take it from there. So I'll pop these on a quick time lapse where we get the hoovering and everything done, and then I'll let you see the rest of the process. Right guys, I didn't time lapse that bit because the camera was dying, so I decided to put it on charge for a bit. So inside we've cleaned all the leather, shampooed the carpet, gave it a drill brush, good hoover, dash has all been wiped down, door cards, windows have all been cleaned. I've put a nice new steering wheel cover on it for him, and it's looking immaculate inside. So now onto the outside, I'm going to get a wee quick 1-stage polish, just to try and remove a couple of wee marks like this. Somebody's been at that with a Brillo pad by the looks of it, so we'll see if we can make that look a wee bit better, and then we'll stick a Synergy 1 coating on it. Right guys, even with a single stage machine polish, this thing's came up looking really good. So look at the bonnet, so much better, and that bit is almost completely gone. Next up, we're going to use some Synergy Light. Mist it onto your microfiber pad, and then just apply it straight lines, cross-hatch pattern, so you don't miss any bits. Make sure you get into all the wee nooks and crannies. And Synergy Light only takes about 30 seconds to start flashing, no more than 15 minutes. So apply it like so. Let it do its business. And then you come back with a short pile side of a microfiber cloth and just level it off, straight lines. Like so. And that's you done that panel. It's so quick and easy. I don't know why anybody waxes cars anymore. This goes on as easy as that, lasts a year, wasps are everywhere. It lasts a year. You can top it up, you can use Synergy Boost and a snow foam gun and top it up, but this stuff's excellent. So easy and quick, and it protects you for a year. It's about £24.99 a bottle, I think, on the website, and you'll probably do your car 4 or 5 times with it, so it spreads well and it lasts forever. So for £24.99 you end up with probably 4 or 5 years of protection. Doesn't get much better than that. Right guys, Stuart's car's all done and it's looking awesome. Synergy protection on the outside, tyre candy dressing. It's just a pity this yard's so dirty, the tyres always get dirty again. But yeah, this thing has cleaned up nice. And this actually, after a machine polish, this colour really pops, I like it. And yeah, so that's that all done. Massive thank you to Stuart for letting me use the car, and I hope you like it, hope you keep it clean, and yeah, we'll maybe get it back next year and we'll do a full Synergy 2 year on it when I've got a bit more time, but I need to get this car back to him, so he's expecting it back tonight. And of course the giveaway card guys, loads of stuff to come on that. I'll leave a link to the playlist on the Infinity Wax website so you can go and see what they've done to the car to start with. If there's anything you guys want to see done to the car, you guys are the ones that are going to be winning it. So if you've got any ideas on what you want, if any mods you want, anything like that, let us know, we'll get it done. And yeah, I'm chuffed to bits with it. I can't wait to give somebody this car. And a £5. I wish I could enter because I really like it. So yeah, massive thanks for watching guys. Good luck to everybody who enters all the raffles. Remember there's an Infinity Wax one on the go as well, I'll leave a link to that. But just yeah, thanks again for all your support guys. If it wasn't for you guys we wouldn't be able to do any of this, so huge thank you. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content, and we'll see you next week.